Snoring. Introduction. Snoring happens when the flow of air through the nose or mouth is partially blocked. Select true or false. Correct. Can snoring be a sign of a serious health condition? Select yes or no. Correct. Snoring may be a sign of a serious health condition. Which of the following is a risk factor for snoring? Choose one of the following options. 1. Being overweight. 2. Drinking alcohol. 3. Nasal congestion. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are several risk factors for snoring. Can snoring be treated? Select yes or no. Correct. There are several lifestyle changes and surgical procedures available to decrease or stop your snoring.
Thank you for using Explain.